Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a sound or audio problem on Windows 10 or Windows 11. You need to check the simple things step by step. First, you just need to unplug the headphone and plug back in and check if it works. Second one, restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if it works. That thing you just need to check your headphone where it is not muted and check the sound wheel on your headphone. Now let's move on to the first method. You just need to right click on the sound icon over here and select troubleshoot sound problems. In here you just need to select yes. This will run automated diagnostic to try to resolve audio problems. Follow the on-screen instruction. This should fix your problem, guys. If this doesn't help you fix, then method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, and expand the sound, video and game controller section and right click on where high definition audio device and select update driver. Select browse my computer for driver, select let me pick, select high definition audio device and select next and select yes and install a web driver. And if updating the driver doesn't fix your problem, then right click and select uninstall device. After uninstalling the device, just go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu in Chrome and type driver booster. Send select the first link, select the free download option and it will start downloading. After getting download done, install it. After the installation done, it will be open up. Select the scan option in this friend logo. This will scan for all required driver for your system, including high definition audio driver. Just click on close. In my case, everything is up to date. As you can see listed, everything is up to date. I already did this before. In your case, you will get an option to update all. Click on the update all option to update it. After getting update and restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to I click on the sound icon and select sound settings. Scroll down and select more sound settings. And in playback option, you can able to see your speaker. Select the correct speaker and select set default option. You will get a tick and then select properties. Go to enhancements tab and disable all enhancements selected and select apply to save changes. And then go to levels tab, make sure it is not muted, and then go to advanced tab and click on the drop down over here and select the highest value over here and select apply to save changes and then select this test whether the sound is working or not. And now click on OK and just click on OK and this should fix your problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.